Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create this blueprint effect with the help of Photoshop. So let's get into it and see how it's done. Here we have the image. Right click on the background layer and choose duplicate layer. Let's keep this one for a backup. Right click on the layer and choose convert to smart object. Now go to filter, stylize and choose find edges. There's a little color to it, so let's make it black and white. Go to the adjustment layer and choose black and white. Now here we have a paper texture. Let's add it to our image. Unlock the background layer, go to edit, copy and paste it in the document. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. Change its blending mode to multiply. Again go to adjustment layer and choose solid color. Select a blue color as we have to create the blueprint effect. Hit OK. Change its blending mode to screen. And there you have it, a blueprint effect ready in no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.